Music time. Let's go.
What's good? I ain't stopped you yet.
You ain't supposed to.
Huh?
You ain't supposed to. You ain't that good. He ain't shot me yet. You hear that shit? He ain't shot me yet. Water boy. What Adam Sandler said, water boy? Number 72. 72. 72. Water. I'm a water boy, and that's all I'm remember is you on the field. What's happened to you, Chris?
I got shot in the hand.
In the hand? Again? Look at Yuck. Don't kill him, Yuck! That nigga rolling on the ground. Kill him, Yuck! Your phone, Yuck! Your phone! You back on recon! Get your phone! Reconnaissance! Look at this brother shit up. Oh, shit. Give it to him now, Jacob.
He got the right idea. He got a full helmet on his shit. He like, niggas ain't getting the good as nothing.
Let me see that one stone on your back, Jacob. Let me see your backpack. Yeah, this nigga got
Protect the package.
Oh yeah, boy, that's a travel drinker's pack. If it was me, boy, I have a bottle of Don Julio on the back of my shit.
We running with the 22. Flank him.
You can take it out. You can't fit a real bottle. This is a little baby facial. You can fit a little baby facial.
In case you get a little partial on the face.
A little double shot.
Say the game getting long. Take a shot. You're right back
Hey, man, don't mess up your camera, man.
Sorry, man.
Have somebody hold that motherfucker, man. The nigga with the arm.
The nigga with the arm.
Chicken wing.
The nigga with the chicken wing. The nigga with the baby arm. This is the way. This is the way. These motherfuckers out to get your boy.
It's amazing because it was a bad motherfucking book.
I knew the brother was gonna do that to you, man. See,
Oh man, this dope.
let me tell you something, man.
Why you bring me this if you was gonna give me that?
He didn't know.
Man, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Love and respect, man. Love and respect, man. I appreciate that.
Let me
Yeah,
tell you
man.
something,
Anybody
T.I.
want some of this, man? This is dope.
Let me tell you something, T.I.
What's up?
First of all, this is the Coin Academy, home of the Baller Podcast. Look, I met these brothers. It's been less than a year, man. I ain't never met nobody like them before. These are the most true-hearted brothers I've ever met. I ain't just saying that just to be saying it. They got another brother. He ain't here right now. He the handsome one. Don't make the handsome one. Hey, man.
Hell nah.
Good people. I knew they was going to do that before. It's just, I didn't know because it's weird. Like, I'm like, I didn't want to run to him and be like, hey, man, T.I. here, woo, woo, woo. But that's what he do. He good people like that. He don't trip off little shit, man.
Hey, man. Love and respect. I really do appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Truly generous.
Ain't no holding
I thank you.
but
I thank you.
Good hearted nigga. Love that motherfucker. I love that man right there. Anyway, back to the stupid shit. T.I. wrote a book. God damn it. I need some time.
Birthday boy man down, huh?
BC 49, if you my nigga. Peace, 7500 block.
How old are you?
49. If you want to add that shit up right, 9 take away 4 equals 5. The nickel. So, I will make the 5 some kind of way go back. Hey. Hey, y'all, to the bus motherfuckers out there, though.
Oh, shit. Hold on.
Over here, got Go Mac with your motherfucking sack. Go Mac over here. Just give a shout out in the background there. You know what I'm saying? Just got you coming up off stage, blowing up and everything and whatnot.